Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. This is the class 7th of our English learning series. In today's class, we will learn simple past tense where we will learn use of this, that, those, these, was, were. All these type rules in one class. In previous classes, we have studied simple present rule. You can see those classes. So let's start the class. First, we will see rule after we will do practice together 100 sentence. Was used with singular. He, she, it or any name are singular. Were used with plural. You, we, they or many things are plural. एक व्यक्ति के लिए या एक ही शी इट के साथ सिंगुलर का वाज का यूज किया जाएगा और यू वी दे और मैनी थिंग्स के साथ वर का यूज किया जाएगा. Let's see the structure of positive sentence. Subject plus was, were plus rest of sentence. Here is rest of sentence meaning is feeling, condition, profession, place. If we will show feeling, then sentence will be I was hungry. If we will show condition, then sentence will be I was tired. If we will show profession, then sentence will be I was a teacher. Examples for positive sentence. I was tired. मैं थका हुआ था. They were happy. वे खुश थे. Structure for negative sentence. Subject plus was, were plus not plus rest of sentence. Examples of negative sentence. She was not late. वह देर से नहीं थी. We were not ready. हम तैयार नहीं थे. Let's start practice together. So first sentence is मैं थका हुआ था. I was exhausted. I was exhausted. मैं एक वास्तुकार था. I was an architect. I was an architect. मैं अत्यंत खुश था. I was ecstatic. I was ecstatic. वह एक सर्जन था. He was a surgeon. He was a surgeon. वह मेहनती था. He was diligent. He was diligent. वह प्रदर्शनी में था. He was at the exhibition. He was at the exhibition. वह एक पत्रकार थी. She was a journalist. She was a journalist. वह सूक्ष्म और चौकस थी. She was meticulous. चौकस means meticulous होता है. She was meticulous. वह सम्मेलन में थी. She was at the conference. She was at the conference. यह एक भव्य इमारत थी. It was a magnificent building. It used for non-living things. Okay. It was a magnificent building. यह बेहद उमस भरा था. It was extremely humid. It was extremely humid. यह एक प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कार था. It was a prestigious award. Repeat after me. It was a prestigious award. यह काफी जटिल था. It was quite complicated. It was quite complicated. वह दृढ़ और लचीली थी. She was resilient. She was resilient. वह साहसी था. He was courageous. He was courageous. तुम समय के पाबंद थे. You were punctual. You were punctual. Let's see the next sentence. तुम सेमिनार में थे. You were at the seminar. You were at the seminar. तुम बेहद प्रतिभाशाली थे. You were extremely talented. You were extremely talented. Now we are using plural, and plural always take plural verb. हम महत्वाकांक्षी थे. We were ambitious. We were ambitious. हम प्रदर्शनी में थे. We were at the exhibition. We were at the exhibition. हम अच्छी तरह तैयार थे. We were well prepared. We were well prepared. वे उद्यमी थे. वे उद्यमी थे. They were entrepreneurs. They were entrepreneurs. वे शिखर सम्मेलन में थे. They were at the summit. They were at the summit. वे दार्शनिक थे. They were philosophers. They were philosophers. तुम काफी उदार थे. You were quite generous. You were quite generous. हम अत्यंत प्रसन्न थे. We were delighted. We were delighted. वे बेहद धनी थे. They were extremely wealthy. They were extremely wealthy. तुम मेहनती थे. You were diligent. You were diligent. हम थके हुए थे. We were exhausted. We were exhausted. वे साहसी थे. They were courageous. They were courageous. Now we will do negative sentence. Listen to me first and then repeat after me. So let's start the sentence. मैं लापरवाह नहीं था. I was not careless. I was not careless. मैं एक संगीतकार नहीं था. I was not a musician. I was not a musician. वह कायर नहीं था. He was not a coward. He was not a coward. वह समय का पाबंद नहीं था. He was not punctual. He was not punctual. वह असभ्य नहीं थी. She was not rude. She was not rude. वह एक वैज्ञानिक नहीं थी. She was not a scientist. She was not a scientist. यह किफ़ायती नहीं था. It was not affordable. It was not affordable. यह एक भरोसेमंद मशीन नहीं थी. It was not a reliable machine. It was not a reliable machine. Let's see next slide. वह संतुष्ट नहीं था. He was not satisfied. He was not satisfied. यह उबाऊ नहीं था. It was not boring. It was not boring. तुम बेईमान नहीं थे. You are not dishonest. You were not dishonest. तुम कार्यशाला में नहीं थे. You were not at the workshop. You were not at the workshop. हम लापरवाह नहीं थे. We were not careless. We were not careless. हम आत्मविश्वासी नहीं थे. We were not confident. We were not confident. वे अजनबी नहीं थे. They were not strangers. They were not strangers. वे सीमा पर नहीं थे. They were not at the border. They were not at the border. तुम अधीर नहीं थे. You were not impatient. You were not impatient. You were not impatient. हम आशावादी नहीं थे. We were not optimistic. We were not optimistic. वे अनिच्छुक नहीं थे. They were not reluctant. They were not reluctant. तुम घमंडी नहीं थे. You were not arrogant. You were not arrogant. Now we will learn use of this, those, this, that, these, those in the past tense. This, that are singular and this, that take only singular verb. These, those are plural and plural take only plural verb. These, plural of this, those, plural of that. This use for जो पास की वस्तुएं होती हैं उसके लिए. That use जो दूर की वस्तुएं होती हैं. These use, these plural of this, so these use for near things and those use for away things. Okay, let's see the structure of this structure. Structure for the positive sentence. This, that plus was, these, those plus were plus rest of sentences. Example for positive sentence. This was a magnificent palace. यह एक भव्य महल था. Those were remarkable achievements. वो उल्लेखनीय उपलब्धियां थीं. Structure for the negative sentence. This, that plus was plus not plus rest of sentence. These, those plus were plus not plus rest of sentences. Examples for negative sentence. This was not a reasonable price. वह एक उचित कीमत नहीं थी. These were not genuine excuses. ये असली बहाने नहीं थे. Let's do practice together now. First sentence. यह एक उल्लेखनीय उपलब्धि थी. This was a remarkable achievement. Repeat after me. This was a remarkable achievement. यह एक प्राचीन पांडुलिपि थी. This was an ancient manuscript. This was an ancient manuscript. यह एक सुनहरा अवसर था. This was a golden opportunity. This was a golden opportunity. यह एक स्वादिष्ट नुस्खा था. This was a delicious recipe. This was a delicious recipe. Next sentence. यह एक विशाल फ्लैट था. This was a spacious apartment. This was a spacious apartment. यह एक बहुमूल्य पेंटिंग थी. This was a valuable painting. This was a valuable painting. यह एक शांत गांव था. This was a peaceful blaze. This was a peaceful blaze. यह एक शानदार आविष्कार था. This was a brilliant invention. This was a brilliant invention. वह एक विवादास्पद फैसला था. That was a controversial decision. That was a controversial decision. वह एक चुनौतीपूर्ण परीक्षा थी. That was a challenging exam. That was a challenging exam. वह एक ऐतिहासिक स्मारक था. That was a historical monument. That was a historical monument. वह एक भव्य महल था. That was a magnificent palace. That was a magnificent palace. वह एक भीड़-भाड़ वाला बाजार था. That was a crowded market. That was a crowded market. वह एक रोमांचक साहसिक कार्य था. That was a thrilling adventure. That was a thrilling adventure. वह एक प्रतिष्ठित विश्वविद्यालय था. That was a prestigious university. That was a prestigious university. ये प्रतिभाशाली संगीतकार थे. These were talented musicians. These were talented musicians. ये प्राचीन मंदिर थे. These were ancient temples. These were ancient temples. ये सफल स्टार्टअप थे. These were successful startups. These were successful startups. ये रंगीन त्योहार थे. These were colorful festivals. These were colorful festivals. ये कुशल कारीगर थे. These were skilled craftsmen. These were skilled craftsmen. ये प्रेरणादायक भाषण थे. These were inspiring speeches. These were inspiring speeches. वे आधुनिक अस्पताल थे. They were modern hospitals. They were modern hospitals. ये प्रसिद्ध स्थल थे. These were famous landmarks. These were famous landmarks. वो उल्लेखनीय उपलब्धियां थीं। Those were remarkable achievements. Those were remarkable achievements. वो महंगे गहने थे। Those were expensive jewels. Those were expensive jewels. वो ऐतिहासिक स्मारक थे। Those were historic monuments. Those were historic monuments. वो शानदार वैज्ञानिक थे। Those were brilliant scientists. Those were brilliant scientists. वो भीड़-भाड़ वाले बाजार थे। Those were crowded markets. Those were crowded markets. वो रोमांचिक साहसिक कार्य थे। Those were thrilling adventures. Those were thrilling adventures. वो सुनहरे अवसर थे। Those were golden opportunities. Those were golden opportunities. Now we will do indicative sentence. यह एक असली बहाना नहीं था। This was not a genuine excuse. This was not a genuine excuse. यह एक आरामदायक यात्रा नहीं थी। This was not a comfortable journey. This was not a comfortable journey. यह एक समझदार फैसला नहीं था। This was not a wise choice. This was not a wise choice. यह एक महंगी गलती नहीं थी। यह एक महंगी गलती नहीं थी। This was not a costly mistake. This was not a costly mistake. यह एक उपयुक्त विकल्प नहीं था। This was not a suitable option. This was not a suitable option. वह एक उचित कीमत नहीं थी। That was not a reasonable price. That was not a reasonable price. वह एक स्थायी समाधान नहीं था। That was not a permanent solution. That was not a permanent solution. वह एक दोस्ताना इशारा नहीं था। That was not a friendly gesture. That was not a friendly gesture. वह एक आसान काम नहीं था। That was not a simple task. That was not a simple task. वह एक उचित स्पष्टीकरण नहीं था। That was not a proper explanation. That was not a proper explanation. ये असली बहाने नहीं थे। These were not genuine excuses. These were not genuine excuses. ये समझदार फैसले नहीं थे. These were not wise choices. These were not wise choices. ये महंगी गलतियां नहीं थीं. These were not costly mistakes. These were not costly mistakes. ये दोस्ताना इशारे नहीं थे. These were not friendly gestures. These were not friendly gestures. ये आसान काम नहीं थे. These were not simple tasks. These were not simple tasks. वो उचित कीमतें नहीं थीं. Those were not reasonable prices. Those were not reasonable prices. ये स्थायी समाधान नहीं थे. Those were not permanent solutions. Those were not permanent solutions. वो उपयुक्त विकल्प नहीं थे. Those were not suitable options. Those were not suitable options. वो उचित स्पष्टीकरण नहीं थे. Those were not proper explanations. Those were not proper explanations. वो आरामदायक यात्राएं नहीं थीं. Those were not comfortable journeys. Those were not comfortable journeys. These sentences for viewers, do it yourself and comment.